Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create this effect just right in Photoshop. As usual, you can download all the material in the link below. First, duplicate background layer with Ctrl or Command J, head to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Blur this layer at 30 radius pixel. Press Ctrl or Command M to open curve, pull down the midtones to darken the image. OK. Pick up Polygon tool, Shape type, White infill, No stroke, Size 6. Draw a shape like this. Click to FX icon, choose blending option. Decrease fill opacity to 0. Choose shallow in knockout. Add stroke, size 4 pixels. White color, OK. Hold Alt, click and drag to copy the shape. Move it right next to each other. Repeat this step to cover the subject. The subject is now revealed after you add the shape. Just stop when you think it's enough. Select all polygon shapes. Choose this change icon to link all shapes at once. Use Smooth tool to adjust its position. That's all for the tutorial. Hope that you like this video. If you do, hit like and subscribe buttons. Thanks a lot.